Hello everyone, I am Samir Jain. I am co-founder and director of BodhaGuru Learning Pvt. Today I am going to share how we have made this new product, NjoyReading, child safe and child friendly. Right from our design stage to manufacturing stage, we have taken all steps to make it child friendly and child safe. Let me talk to you about the same. Let's talk about child safety first. I also have two small children, so I do understand from parents and teachers perspective the product needs to be extremely safe for children. So let me talk to you about the child safety first. Let's talk about the physical properties. Let me first open the product. So this is the box. Here's the NjoyReading Kit and the associated books. Let's talk about the physical properties of this thing. It's a pretty lightweight, very robust thing, so that it can be very easy for children to use it. The weight is also extremely lightweight. It has a very smooth finish with no sharp edges. Wherever you touch, it's extremely smooth finish there. There are no small components in this product, no pen also. So there is no worry of any sharp part which can hurt the child. Even the books we have ensured. These are books with very good quality papers and rounded corners. So they are also not sharp. There is no sharp edges for children on the books also. Talking on to the chemical properties, the plastic used is very, very child safe. We have used food grade quality plastic as well as color material. The biggest concern with every parent and every teacher is nowadays with the toys is the plastic good actually or not, and you can feel and touch and feel and you can figure out it's not so great. But here we have used really very high quality PET material, ABS material to make this very, very safe for children. There is no worry about any form of chemical, toxic chemical reaching children's mouth if they use it and then touch it. Absolutely no risk at all. Coming to the electrical properties aspect of it, there is no electrical supply coming inside the kit. It all works on batteries. So there is no worry of any form of electrical shock. Even if the entire design of the electricity inside this thing, small electrical circuit, is tested so that there is no risk of any form of electrical shock. And because it is running on battery, I'm sure your obvious question will be coming in that it must be consuming a lot of batteries. No, the design has been made so that it consumes extremely low power. On a normal rechargeable batteries of say 2100 mAh, it can work for 25 to 26 hours. These are the continuous hours. So in a normal use case scenario, it might run more than a month or 2 months kind of thing with one recharge of the battery. So right from physical properties to chemical properties to electrical properties, we have ensured this entire product, including the kit and the books, is child safe. So now let's come to the child friendliness aspect of it. It's extremely easy to use. All the child needs to do is turn on the power, which is on the right side, by putting it up, press the start button and place the book on the kit and just interact with the kit actually. And we have placed a lot of videos on how to use the kit in the most effective way, which you can watch the same. So it's very easy to use. There's no strain on the eyes because these are all paper books with which the child is interacting, unlike tablets where there are screen, glare and so on, which is there. So let me talk about the child-friendly content aspect of it. The entire content is built in-house. It's a made in India product which is there. It includes stories. Every book starts with a story, followed by learning activities and followed by quiz. And because the entire content has been built by after years of experience of our digital learning, we have ensured that it is something which is very engaging for children, where children can spend their hours and hours reading and learning from the same. So both from child safety perspective and child friendliness perspective, we have done our best to ensure that this NjoyReading Kit is really, really safe and friendly for your child. Hope your children as well as the students will love this solution and most importantly enjoy reading it. Thanks for watching. Our next video I'll share how exactly this product got designed and manufactured in our Hyderabad labs. Till then, bye-bye.